Welcome to my channel. How to connect Shark Robot Vacuum with Wi-Fi. Make sure your Shark Robot Vacuum is fully charged before beginning the setup. Place it on the dock and let it charge until the indicator light shows it's ready. Download the Shark Clean app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store on your smartphone. Open the app and either create a new account or log in if you already have one. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. Turn on the power switch located on the vacuum, usually on the side or bottom, to activate it. In the app, tap the icon or Add a Robot option to start adding your Shark Robot Vacuum to the app. The app will prompt you to select your Shark Robot model. Choose the correct one from the list for accurate setup instructions. Press and hold the Dock and Clean buttons on your robot simultaneously until you see the Wi-Fi indicator light start flashing. This signals that the robot is in pairing mode. The app will ask for your Wi-Fi network credentials, 2.4 GHz band only. Shark robots do not support 5 GHz networks. Enter your Wi-Fi name and password. The app may instruct you to connect your phone to the Shark robot's temporary Wi-Fi network. It usually starts with Shark followed by numbers. Go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings and connect to this network. Return to the Shark Clean app, and it should complete the setup automatically. You'll see a confirmation screen once it's connected. Test the connection by starting a cleaning cycle from the app. Thank you for watching.